Approved, approved, approved. Good morning, London, Ontario, and surrounding area. John MacDonald here, your local automotive financing specialist. I'm down here at the 5-Star Dealers in London, 1500 Dundas East, where I have approximately 550 vehicles in stock. That's right, 550 vehicles. Wow. I have trucks, I have SUVs, I have cars. You name it, and I probably got it. As well, I'm approving for all credit types. Good credit, bad credit, bankruptcy, consumer proposals. No credit, no problem. Give me a call or text me today, 519-860-9212. Again, that number, 519-860-9212. And let's look at getting you approved today.